In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record computer audio in Audacity. By the end, you'll have Audacity set up to capture exactly what your computer is playing: music, videos, calls, or game audio, without any mic bleed or speaker noise. Start by opening Audacity. Look along the top for the Audio Setup toolbar. This is where you control your input and output choices. If you don't see it or prefer a settings window, you can reach the same controls by going to Edit, then Preferences. Think of this area as Audacity's control room. It tells the program what to listen to and how to listen to it. In the host field, select Windows Wasapi. The host determines which audio engine Audacity uses to communicate with your system. Wasapi is the key for this task because it enables loopback recording, which means Audacity can capture the exact audio your system is playing back. Other hosts, like MME or Direct Sound, typically focus on microphones and line-in devices and won't reliably grab your system's playback. Wasapi gives you a clean, direct feed. Next, set the recording device to your playback device with Loopback at the end. Choose the same device you're currently using to hear sound, your speakers or your headphones, followed by the word Loopback. It might look like speakers with your audio driver name, then Loopback in parentheses. If you usually listen through headphones, pick the headphones Loopback. If you switch to speakers, return here and select the matching speakers Loopback. Selecting the correct Loopback ensures you're capturing exactly what you hear in real time. Here's what that does behind the scenes. Loopback routes the mixed system output back into Audacity, so the recording includes everything your computer plays: apps, browsers, media players, at the same quality you're hearing. Because it follows your system output, your Windows volume affects the recording. If the volume is too low, the recording will be quiet. If it's maxed out and distorted, you may clip. A practical tip is to keep your system volume around 70 to 90% and adjust the individual app volumes as needed for a clean signal. If you don't see Windows Wasapi, make sure you're on Windows and that your Audacity version is up to date. If the loopback devices don't appear, confirm that your speakers or headphones are enabled as the default playback device in Windows Sound settings, then close and reopen Audacity. Also, some exclusive mode audio apps can temporarily hide devices. Closing them can help. With Windows Wasapi selected and the correct loopback device chosen, Audacity is now listening directly to your computer's audio, ready for clean, hassle-free capture.